Yeah, corruption is a pandemic. I wish a lot of people would understand corruption to the extent at which it actually impacts our communities. If we give you a tender to build a road and you don't build a structurally fit road because you want to chow a lot of margin on that particular tender, and then the guys who are supposed to come and inspect, they look at the roads, they see that this road is not really fit, but they get a cut. So this road will be launched. A minister is going to get there. They cut the ribbon. Poor minister, maybe they are just appointed yesterday. They don't even know how this road is really built. All they are basing on are the certificates that come from the inspectors. They tick, 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 tick. They show the minister everything is good. We can launch. We can release this road now to the public to be used. And then in 2 months' time, this road starts to have potholes. Cars are rolling on that road. There are head-ons on that road. When was the last time you heard the person who's going to be tried for the corruption of that road being tried also for all the incidents that happened in that road? They don't. They'll be given 3 years, 4 years because we are only looking at the money side of things. But the real truth is that what they did has actually killed people. These are people who are not supposed to be tried only for money. They should be tried for murder. Corruption means that you are taking from somebody else's mouth. Anything that you take from somebody else's mouth, it always leads to those people trying other ways of living, and most of those ways will be criminal. Most of those ways will be addictions and depression. People die. It doesn't matter how much, it could be a loaf of bread that you steal. You start there. Then tomorrow you are in an office, you feel like it doesn't hurt much. It's just 100,000 rand job. And then it becomes $1 million job. Then it becomes 10 million job. And people who are corrupt, they become obsessive on the amounts, just keep on growing the amounts. But when you calculate it properly, you realize that the bigger the amount, the bigger the casualties. So many people die because of corruption. And Africa is a state of corruption. And I wish that in future, when we trial people who are corrupt, we could look at the value chain of the effect of that corruption. How many people died from it?